What's up, guys? This is a Fuji feather, size 52. What I'm running here is a Nitto NGS pearl stem. These are some stock Kilo TT bars. Got some hoods. Yeah. All right. We got a dirt fork. I got a velocity wheel set, Durace hubs, Durace, Durace seat post, got a felt saddle, KMC stock chain, Sigino Messengers RD. Toshi double straps, MKS pedals, MKS toe clips, Euro Asia cog, Durace lock ring. Got ratio. Alright, this is a 4817. Timmy goes fast. I mean, I go fast. Got a Randonier in the back. Ooh, it's fresh. When'd you get this? Yeah. Randonier 25C, so I can do my skids, even though I got a brake. Show me your shirt. Oh yeah. And I got a gator skin in the front. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how I ride.